Welcome to C49 Hockey Breaks, box break number 76. And today we have a box of 2011-2012 Panini Prime. Get a box number on the back here. Box number 150. Let's dive into this 11-12 Panini Prime. And on the bottom here, all right. So we got our one thick pack of Panini Prime. Grab a decoy, slide it in. Solid stack of cards there. Looks like we got 6 or 7, even though it says 5 on the box. Always nice when Panini throws in extra cards. Turn it around. And we start off with a base card numbered 127 of 249 of Erik Karlsson. Let's go down to the bottom. We have a base parallel number 4 of 5 of PK Subban. 4 of 5 PK Subban, base parallel. Let's see. Bottom card. Wow. This is a pretty good box, if I must say so myself. We have a Prime Rookies of Carl Klingberg, number 24 of 50 on the back there. One color in the top right and, top left and bottom right, and 2 color in the bottom left and top right. Don't know if it's gonna pick up on video or not, but not the greatest of signatures. It kind of looks like the marker was dying, but decent hit regardless. Continuing on, we have a Prime Quads number 48 of 75 of Dion Phaneuf, James Reimer, Jake Gardiner, and Luke Schenn. It's a very interesting piece on the James Reimer, the E of the Leaf. Not got to be off a blocker or something, I'm going to assume. It's quite the fancy piece. Continuing on, we have a showcase swatches, number 22 of 25 of Henrik Lundqvist. I do believe we got something similar to this on a earlier break, and the jersey behind it was like a dark blue, I believe the Winnipeg Jets, and you could barely see this part of the card on the left, and wasn't the nicest of looking cards, but with the white jersey piece background, this is a very beautiful looking card, if I do say so myself. And continuing on, two cards to go. We have a Prime Signatures of James Van Riemsdyk. JVR, James Van Riemsdyk. Again, kind of looking like the marker was dying when he signed this. Prime Signatures, James Van Riemsdyk. And we finish off the break with a Primetime Rookie Jersey Auto of Brendan Smith. That is number 35 of 50 on the back. Brendan Smith, jersey and auto. Again, the signature not the greatest, so maybe it's just the fact that they've been sitting in that pack, in that box, for quite some time. Maybe not the marker when they signed it. 11/12, quite a while ago. Anyways, let's do a quick recap here. We had the showcase swatches, number 22 of 25 of Henrik Lundqvist. We had the Prime Quads of Dion Phaneuf, James Reimer, Jake Gardner, and Luke Shen, number 48 of 75. Crazy piece on the Reimer. We had the 35 of 50, Brendan Smith, Primetime Rookie Jersey Auto, Brendan Smith. We had the Prime Signatures of James Van Riemsdyk. That was numbered 22 of 25 on the back. And we had the Carl Klingberg Prime Rookies with a couple of nice Prime jersey pieces in there. That was number 24 of 50 on the back. John Klingberg. And don't normally recap the base, but 4 of 5 PK Subban, and 127 of 249 of Erik Karlsson. Well, folks, that does it for box break number 76. If you did enjoy this break, make sure to give it a like, comment below if there is anything you would like to see broken on future box breaks or packs for 6-pack Saturday. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. I do have some Sunday special uploads coming up here, including this Sunday. There will be one, so make sure to check that out on Sunday. Special upload time is noon local, 2 Eastern, so keep an eye out for all the upcoming videos.